Welcome to the Professor English podcast, where we don't just talk about English, we practice English. My name is Ryan, and I am your host. Today, we are going to practice using the phrasal verb keep around, which means you always have something near you, even if you never use it, even if it seems undesirable or useless. As usual, instead of giving you long explanations, let's just jump right in and practice. If you're not sure how to use it now, don't worry. After we practice using it together, you'll be much more comfortable with this phrase. Before we begin, I just want to remind you that if you prefer some visual help with this exercise, you can always see the video version on my YouTube channel, Professor English ESL Class. Now, let's dive in and start practicing English. Here is a situation. Mary never uses her old computer. It sits on the floor in her closet. It's there, but she never uses it. She keeps it, but she doesn't use it. It's extra. She keeps it around. It's near her, but she doesn't use it. Doesn't seem to have a use. She keeps it around. She keeps the old computer around. Let's make a why question with why keep around. Why does she? Why does she keep it? Why does she keep it around? Why does she keep it around if she doesn't use it? Why does she keep it around if she doesn't use it? Here is the reason. For emergencies. She keeps it around for emergencies. She keeps it around. She keeps it around for emergencies. Here is another situation. John lives in the city and he owns a car, which is very inconvenient and expensive. The car just sits there in the street. He almost never uses it. He keeps it, but he doesn't use it. He keeps it around. It's there, right in front of his apartment, but he never uses it. He keeps it around. He keeps the car around. Let's make a why keep around question. Why does he? Why does he? Why does he? Why does he keep? Why does he keep the car? Why does he keep the car around? Why does he keep the car around if he never uses it? Here is the reason. In case he needs to travel long distances. He keeps it around in case he needs to. He keeps it around in case he needs to travel long distances. He keeps it around in case he needs to travel long distances. All right, you're doing a super duper job. Let's try another example. But before we do, I just want to remind you, if you find these exercises helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, Professor English ESL Class, so that you won't miss the next lesson. And if you are watching this video on YouTube, please take a moment to press the like button. It helps my channel so much and lets me know that you want to see more fluency and listening comprehension exercises just like this one. Now, let's keep practicing English. Here is another situation. Lisa has an old phone that she keeps in one of her drawers. She never uses it. It takes up a lot of space. She keeps it, but she doesn't use it. She keeps it around. It's near her, but there's no use for it. She never uses it. She keeps it around. She keeps it around. Let's make a why question. Why keep around phone? Why does she keep? Why does she keep it around? Why does she keep it around? Why does she keep it around if she never uses it? Why does she keep it around if she never uses it? Here is the reason, in case her new phone gets lost. In case her new phone gets lost. In case her new phone gets lost. She keeps it around in case her new phone gets lost. She keeps it around in case her new phone gets lost. Here is another situation. Mark doesn't really like dogs, but he has 2 dogs. He keeps the dogs, but he doesn't like them. He keeps them around. They're there, but they don't have a purpose for him. They don't seem to have a purpose. He doesn't like them. He keeps them, but he keeps them around. They're still there. Let's make a why question. Why keep around? Why does he? Why does he keep them? Why does he keep them around? Why does he keep them around? Why does he keep them around if he doesn't like them? Why does he keep them around if he doesn't like them? Here is the reason: for security. He keeps them around for security. Keeps them around for security. All right, you did an amazing job today, and you learned some fantastic English. Congratulations! I knew you could do it. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, you should repeat this exercise several times, not just so that you can remember how to use keep around, but also to improve your listening and speaking abilities. It's been real fun practicing English with you today, and I hope to see you again soon. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the like button. Until the next video, see you with more interesting words and phrases.